woke up, and I'm not gonna lie. I was like, let me buy me some stuff for fall. Like, fall is coming up. It's the best time of the year. And I'm just like, let's go fall shopping. Don't judge my nails if you see my nails. I'm trying not to get my nails done until October 17th, which is my son's birthday. Like, so I'm trying not to get my nails done until October, but it's a struggle. Anyway, I couldn't even get here, y'all. I started eating these in the car. These are supposed to go in a bowl in my kitchen, and I couldn't even wait. Like, I love candy corn. Anyways, I got the fall essentials, so I'm pretty much doing a fall haul today. And I just want to show y'all a lot of things that I got for fall. So that's it. Is it really fall if you don't go get your candles? This right here, y'all don't know nothing about this. Mahogany and Techwood candle, $7 at Marshall's. The top is so cute. This smells so good. They have one that's just called Techwood, but I feel like the Mahogany and Techwood smells better to me. I don't know. And then I bought another one too. Okay, so this one is Vanilla Sandalwood. I don't know. I wouldn't say it's fall, but I just gotta keep candles. This smells so good. Oh my God. Inspired at Dog Beach on California coast. My son is gonna love this. He's addicted to dogs. He loves dogs. But y'all, look how cute this is. Oh my God, y'all. This is so cute. I'm actually about to go light my candle right now because I literally just can't wait. Like, I cannot wait. Then I have the Soft Soap Pumpkin Spice. Pumpkin Scent Spice. I got this from Walmart. I didn't even smell this. My baby picked this out. Oh my God, it smells so good. Yeah, my son picked this out. He wanted it because of the pumpkin on here. So this smells really good. This was a really good pick from him. Shout out to my baby. He's so cute. They had like 4 other scents too, which I really wanted to open them and smell them, but he just wanted that one. So I'm like, I'm not even gonna smell the other ones because if I smell it and I like it, I'm gonna want to get that one, and he doesn't really want that one, so whatever. Okay, so I did get some shoes, like 2 pairs of shoes. I got the classic ones and I got these black Adidas. I feel like, I don't know, like I feel like everybody has the white and black ones, so I try to be different and I got the black ones. But yes, it's very much given fall. I don't know. I just seen them. I like the little trend that's going around. So I'm like, okay, you know what? This is cute. This is a cute little mom shoe for me, you know. I did break my pumpkin out. This is like decor for my house. And I didn't get it this time, but I am breaking it out because it's fall. But you see, this is like so cute, and it just goes on my table in my apartment. And I don't know, it's just fall. It's black and white, it's not orange, but it is very fallsy. You know, it's my pumpkin. Walmart has a lot of these colored pumpkins though. So if you want to get one, head to Walmart. They're very, very, very cheap. Would it be a fall haul if we didn't go to Ulta? So, okay, so I've been seeing something from Philosophy called Pure Grace perfume, and I've been seeing it, but also too, like this patient at work had it, and it smelled so good. The whole room smelled like it, and she told me what it was. So ever since then, I was like, oh, I gotta get that. So I went to Ulta to go get it because I'm like, okay, well, Ulta has it. I could pay for it on Amazon, and I could also order it from Ulta. Y'all, tell me why I went into Ulta and I smelled this one instead. It's still Philosophy, but this one's called Fresh Cream Cashmere. Y'all have no idea. Like, this smells so freaking good. Like, y'all, this right here is literally addicting. It smells like vanilla and cashmere and warmness. Like, this is my fall scent. Like, this is my fall scent. I'm gonna wear this out. I might as well have gotten 2 of them because I already know, like, I'm gonna spray it so much. It's also that time. It's fall. You gotta stay moisturized. I bought a smaller one too, so I really bought 3 of these, but the small one is with my son and he's at his grandmother's house right now. But yes, this cocoa butter Vaseline, and then I got the lotion too. Listen, it's about to be fall, and we gotta stay moisturized. You know, us black people get ashy. White people, I think y'all get ashy too. I'm not sure, but yes. So I had to give me some lotions and some scents. My fall haul. One thing I forgot to put in my video, y'all, real quick, is this. This right here smells so good, and I just wanted a nice toasty scent. So this is Toasted Honey Vanilla Native. It smells so freaking good, y'all. It's body wash, but this is part of my fall hygiene. So make sure y'all get this. Make sure y'all get this. They got plenty of flavors that, like, scents that smell good. But y'all, this one, it smells like honey and marshmallow is what it smells like. I just love smelling good. I'm just a girl. So yeah, my bad. I forgot to put that in there, y'all. I feel like this is kind of off topic, but I had to buy some socks too. I love Gap. Gap makes good quality socks, so obviously these are not for me, these are for my kid. But yeah, I'm gonna throw away all his socks, and I just was like, let me buy some new socks. I love these socks, y'all. I like Nike socks, and I like these socks. Like, those are pretty much the only socks that I get. So I had to stock up on these because winter's coming, and I just want him to have a new fresh pair of socks and feel good about himself and have, you know, fresh new undergarments. So I did get that. And tell me why when I was in Marshall's, I have another bag. I have a whole nother bag because I started smelling stuff. And look what I found in there. The lady at the register was like, oh my God, people have been coming in here and asking for a certain one. It's not this one that I got, but it's a different one. This one that I got is called Pumpkin Spice. And it's, I'm not saying this right. I know I'm not going to say it right. Lemon, gourmand, whatever. Anyways, y'all, oh my God. This pumpkin spice smells so freaking good. I'm getting my perfume collection back up, but I did see this on TikTok, or was it Pinterest? But anyways, the girlies are wearing this, and they have a whole bunch of different ones. There's another one that the girls are really wearing. The lady at the register was asking me, like, are you looking for that one? Because many people keep coming in here looking for it. And I'm like, no, I'm just taking what I can get. I'm okay with this pumpkin spice. Like, that's okay with me. That's A-okay with me. Because these are going to be gone before you know it, too. Because they're so hot. They're only $14, y'all, at Marshall's. And these are so hot. Like, please, the girls are going to run through those. I couldn't just buy one. So, I bought another one. This one's called Creme Brulee. Oh, my God. This smells like a cake. Like, it smells like a vanilla cake. This is like a classy scent. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. I had to get the big one, y'all, because I'm like, well, this smells real good. This one's 16, so it really is not that bad, because this one's 14, this one's 16. Same brand. This one's a 1 ounce, and this one is a 3.4 ounce. I really wish they had this in 3.4, because I would have just got both of them, you know? Something else that I got for fall, I would say fall, because it's this sweater. It's this Babe hoodie. Y'all, tell me why. First of all, I know people have been wearing a bathing ape for a long time, right? But tell me why Babe is so hard to come by, like, for kids. Like, I feel like it's hard to come by for adults, but it's even harder to come by through kids, because I've been checking the website for a long time, right? And there's a sweater that I want on there, and it was been sitting on the website for like probably like 2 months, a month and a half, 2 months. And I'm like, okay, I'm not worried about it. Don't nobody want that. Like, plus I'm thinking there's a plethora of items. So tell me why I called the store, and one of the stores, and he's like, yeah, this is only one location of 8 stores in the US. I'm like, dang, only 8 stores in the US. Y'all, when I tell y'all I had no idea it was that little stores, like, I had no idea. So I'm like, okay. He was just basically telling me about the Pirate Store, which is like their off-season stuff, website for that. And then he was telling me, we was just talking about like Bape and, you know, their stores and how they restock and if they restock and stuff like that. So I see why it is so exclusive, because that's just crazy. Thank y'all so much for watching my fall haul video, because that's all I got for now, y'all. I'm gonna lay off the shopping until next week, or maybe the week after, I don't know, but that's all I got for now. I'm very happy with my purchases. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the video, and tell me what y'all want to see next. I have so many ideas for fall. I love fall. I come alive in the fall. People get depressed in the fall and the winter. You know how they call that like seasonal depression? Nope. Opposite for me. Like, I get so happy in the fall. I have so much stuff to do. So love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share. See y'all in the next video.